Mina Abdul M. Fatoma, Mina the Chief Executive for Campaign for Human Rights and Development International, Chad. We Kaya as a team, we head of legal affairs, Madam Rose, and we get Maui can handle a couple of business at the office, Mr. Victor, and we get a human rights man, Mr. Prince. You know, then we come with some other guests then from Freetown, the Sarah Network Radio, and also AYV. So everything we do here, the whole world get for no say. And this now a program where we bring kind of community where we call let the people talk, let we talk, within the money we. Like I been start earlier on, if we not sincere with we say, we not sincere with the neighbor. If we not sincere with like we brother we can pray for we the Christian prayer. So we don't let God, you know, go let Jesus. So we always get together fear in God. So at a pick up back in me remind who's at the stop. When we will live in peace and cohesion means the equal rights for me and you too before they are play. If we do business now, loan come. That loan opportunity, we all forget that right. It doesn't mean say you're not the bad chief, you're not local chief, you're not the Shabu chief, you're not the Timini chief. Now you the lead that process. You come in chief in your tribe people then not forget. We then can attitude and we're not going for live in peace. We then can attitude and we're not going to forget social cohesion. We all go the vex for we said. Would I call that meeting? That local chief, if you go to the again, the young people then force it again. So when we start that bad practice at the community level, the same people the way na councillor, the same people the way na MP, the same people the way na minister, na president, na the same community then come out with it. Then are we same brothers and sisters. Like I say, now the country this, I don't travel na plenty country. Don't work na plenty country. But me own country where I love so much, we already are we left so much than any other country. Now they will let politics pass with them. Why? They no say the one they were a politician, and not go say they all, but majority of the politicians in this country and Africa, they believe say because we pour too much as a community and as a people, where they get the resources, where belong to we all. They want for protector. How then they protect her? We don't build in homes, we set up business, we put the money in a bank, in Pekin they go private school, we in Pekin they go to community school. In also they water they light they you na water well you they go or you begin go, you want go pray. That begin they na line they wait, but let in your turn come. You go make you even miss the Juma prayer. You go even make you miss appointments. But in as already open pour, water they come. Blackout, the not sabi. If you light go, generator they on. Uda in the council. We own brother the way they in the community. We foresee 500,000 maybe after 1 year. Cash. They can get 1.5 million. They kill him brother. He kill his sister. He born the hospital where they born her. Or where his sister get for go born. Or where until for go born neighbor another pikin. He born the police station. Where that police station is where we are all the sleep planet. That same policeman on the rain. He pass around for ensure say we are bad brothers in the community. They not can do we bad. We know they fight for that. You know what they fight for? We dey fight for we brother where we see say na him for represent we na this community. Why? Because he no can give money pass the other man wey go able for love this community like all love this community and do more better. But because he count money, we let am pass the one wey no get money. So because they know say that gap there between we and money, poverty. Then they hold down they pay hold fall or animal you squeeze in throat. And so they squeeze the gap between we and poverty. Chiefs in this country, they don't get respect for them anymore in the community. Why? This same love we will not get for ourselves. Before, if they say they don't summon you to chief, you mama or papa self they begin to cry first because you don't know how they go approach that chief. Now somebody will say that chief don't summon and your mama they begin cause first. Before you reach that the chief in front back. We don't forgive so. Also we forgive as a country. We forgive as a country, we get respect for ourselves, we get love for ourselves. And the one that way they represent with the councillor, the police, when they provide public service for we. If policeman misbehave, you the civilian get the right for tell and say, officer, this way we behave not to show police officer for behave. A police officer for be a gentleman, gentlewoman, decent person in behavior will be fine. Now what time they change. But if you that police officer there, so then you cost him mama. Not all we all not go cost money because some man he not care about the uniform, they cost you mama back. Or he slap you back. Then they say that pa, that bobo, that woman, that guy, any police officer don't fit. Who say that to modern the leg fit. So if person one carry out with good, if you go there then go beat you for all you good. What in that they get the good angel there, the good people there. So we the people, now we for build with Tomo community. We for build the Tomo community. We for make let Tomo get the respect where we want the people that outside there get that respect. But if we don't do that, would that we want a build Tomo for we? Would that we want a respect Tomo pass we? We get for let we set force than politics. You, your brother, your sister come. Say they don't give me symbol, the party don't give me symbol. I for stand. Question and good. Nothing say when my brother don't be so. Now that carpenter workshop where I get, let me get for make the school bench there. Let me get for make the police because my brother na the honorable. Think about how that other man will get the experience, will get the strength. Me know they call young people they say na idlers. Me know they call young people they say na ghetto people there. So young people go na ghetto, you know, na circumstances dragale. If you be get the opportunity when one way not in a ghetto, you know they go there. Not all men at this community want do fishing, but the opportunity not there. That opportunity not go come if me and you not make we let Tomo, we let ourselves and we build Tomo. We get for love ourselves. You see, when I did Makeni, I tell the people that Makeni say, me come on bonds, that bonds the bond, boom chiefdom, Madina. Any town, any village in this country, na the town and the village. When they talk to Onanaya, they say, we the Tomo people. Because the law of this country say, I got right for go live any side. Any side. When you go somewhere and say, you know which nation? No, Mina Saloma let you. When you ask me which guy, Mina Shabromambo, myself, Mina Sierra Leone, I entitled to this community. I for live here. Not only that way they will show love to ourselves, we accommodate ourselves. But if we dey na same turn, this area na the Mede side, na the Loko side, na the Timini side, and na the Nimba side, then when they where they not gree, because why them brother they na thief man there. Then when they near they not gree, because why them brother they not let gree. Now we no let Christian. The same man where we dey fetch for, we burn the police station for, we burn the health center for, we burn the school where we begin and they go, we burn the boats where they use for go fishing. Here the other man waiting at the other side where they fetch for. They will see they laugh, then the whole water like this and parliament they laugh. I don't go talk to the people there. The disaster don't happen. We brother they don't die. We school they don't work. We health center don't work. We don't get good health facility. Hospital day or clinic day, toilet no day, water no day. Na that we for the cry for. We know they cry say, that we brother na for be chief, that we brother na for be. Then we go through the process where they. And if you never be for like a fear, plenty way they will go channel anything and they will get human rights organization then. We get the system they will go complain to. And we put that pressure. So we will get peace. But if we don't get peace, we will not be able to do plenty things. Before I call the other key stakeholders in there, we don't say them for talk. You see where they talk, and now they talk the words. And they talk say we don't let Christian. We partner with the government of Sierra Leone, but we tell them say we don't bring no government officials to council. Why? Well, let people they free for talk. Let we talk to ourselves. What is that the thing we make we divide ourselves? What is that the thing we make we hate ourselves? But not to let you know politics. Then waiting there under the politics. Poverty. We don't get moral again. We don't sell all things. Oba don't go. Yalman don't go. Headman don't go. Primary chief don't go. Section chief don't go. Imam don't go. Pastor don't go. Everybody don't go. Civil society don't go. The journalists they don't go. Like the country, these journalists, the UN government say, let us civil society man not can at this radio, this television, let talk. Because if you talk the truth, we not go get money here again. And what you put that 1 year in at the truth. I know they tell you message that you keep us from my way they see me. Oh, we don't see me across you, mama. They are costing you, mama. I mean, we give for love we serve. Then we love we serve. So I for the talk for 5 minutes, but because I love this community, I so love the people of this community, I believe for talk small. Pass me 5 minutes. So they call me other brothers and the one sister where they up this table. We all will talk one after the other. We not get the district chairman, not there. I don't know if the representative there, the chief, the officer, commander, armed forces, Abendrima, not there. Local unit commander, Waterloo station. Okay, you can represent, all right. We'll give you the opportunity for talking as a policeman.
Good morning, all. People on the morning. I happen for can represent me LEC because in order now I go na me host and say my call me say the LEC for can represent. So I go there and talk brief as a police officer. Tumbo community to be there the 5 skirmishes before then they send me. And the reason why we there today with Mika Okana as a result of this incident will be happy with the Cambon Hospital and police station. We just want to encourage the people and say we are violence not they pay in any way in this country. That we all accommodate each other and try for live in peace. We as police officers, we there for make sure say and maintain peace and security in the nation, and for make sure say everybody go lay down, nothing no worry at all. If you left Panado, at least we grab before go meet am. Now that's 3 days for. And we want for assure with people in Atondo say they no need for worry at all. As long as we then at the community and the peninsula as a whole, we try for make we only to effort and we do our own cooperation for make sure say we make Salone a peaceful country where even outside and we able to cancel on within the community. If I talk this, I want for stop here because all we talk for can't talk, you don't talk the essence of the let we all live as one as the society. You don't say a lot. Now future I born, but I work Mandela and where I did it for 15 years. I feel say the old media like saying that born, even past we say commercial. Throughout our Kailan, Pujon, Bon, and Bo, then side and all I spend so much time. Nobody knows how to teach me and myself not to teach nobody. And the kind of way we work there, we maintain peace and also one for can maintain the same peace inside future. And now we all self as one, be it Mende, Limba Loco, now we know say we all Australian there. If we begin to short it other person because of the region outside come on, we not go live as one. We are with the appeal as police officers for if we are in our community, we are see bad person, we are call we and report to police. Let police will take necessary action. And we also encourage you now for live in peace. I will stop here, sir.
Thank you very much. We brother talk like policeman, but we're not going to expect him to talk one because he represents the boss. The honest ability gets more problem. That's small little effort. We don't need small little effort from the police or the military for protecting you. That the constitutional responsibility of police and the military for ensure say me and you too safety guarantee. Any pathway we did in this country, we did at the sea, we did at the bush, we did at the road, therefore always guarantee say we safe. But when we look into the other side, they're not going to talk out because of the code. But their own life self is not good. Good in the sense, police, they will get 2 degrees or 3 degrees, again 4th degree, yeah, 2 masters. It will be ASP, but you know they get more than 1,500,000 per month. This country now will be I'll be honest, no one there, and then in the net, on the ring, the patrol for me. Well, ensure say they will bad water the way we get. Then go to corner, so we will work free. A country where things are very expensive. Now, some yesterday now, 300,000 to 400,000. If you pay somebody 900,000, 1 million, nothing they left again. So the trouble they have with brother them way they are the community, the checkpoint, the Okada, the harass Okada brother them, the Keke, the harass with Keke brother them, the boatman and the wife, they harass them. Other market people there, and the road. I believe so that's why they be. But we will not charge them as courtesy for that one. But allegation I will make. And they make conclusive statements say that's what they do. But that problem day, that we thinking, they say that so we bother them, then we police bother there, and we sister them. That's what they want to do. The other thing again, where they say will contribute for them with themselves. You know what I mean? Say the man, the councillor, because the LUC or the officer in charge, they are too very close. Or the LUC don't see one fine woman. It's not a man LUC. They want that woman, they in that community. So that woman, a young brother, they can cause kumbulu. We can lead them complain. No, you arrest her, never arrest her. That's injustice. Somebody can slap you when police will deal with that person. But because he get connection in this community, he go free. Because at the chief in Peking, the admin in Peking, Police not for lock her up. You no fear. If you not chief in Pikin, you not chief, no misbehave. But if you misbehave, let the Lord deal with you accordingly. So we now with people that will get confidence, they will get trust. If somebody hits them, they say, I go to police. But if I don't see my neighbor, don't go, nothing will happen. If somebody boss me, they say, I just hit this boss in. I'll go and I ain't do nothing. That will go okay. We see the auto car, I just do all the alcohol. The police themselves, they fear that. Enough of this soul. We all equal before the law, and we all can respect the law. So we go to the next brother with ONS. Anybody from ONS? We go to the councillor, the man we host to in and I say for them welcome we all, the big man, and they get one nickname with them call one kind of the area. What's that name? Bunde. No, one name they
Go before Noka.
Go before. We go before Noka. I be really want to go before with this peace talk and this cohesion. I go for go before now. Okay, we get we own brother Bunde. Instead of we own local representative, if we ensure say development can work with everybody. Also, young people they don't know where to go, or the one that we post and during campaigning for work with everybody. So, Councillor Mudesa.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. I tell you now plenty thank you. All level we wish you schedule them, who all come meet up here. Let God make all what you care for, let God make it all water. Let God make we able to maintain peace in our communities here. And let God make Lord all see say Salone can force but anything we they do. We get one key thing, we the politicians them, because like we are politicians them. So before they address the people, and we say first before address first. We get one key thing, all we the politicians them, who normally now they affect the entire nation. Where be if we start to amend that thing, the people them they begin reflect for long maintain peace in the country. What is they lead all this political violence? One, after a regime change, normally me as a politician, I can talk. If my level reach to a presidency, I can always they say, now Lord give job to the professionals. Now one of the key things down there, I can come and they set up the government where I need for change ministerial positions. But the key side, where I know say they are not professionals, all don't work for the past 30 years, all stability and no need for change. As long as you begin church them people and they begin experience political instability in the country, will they begin see divisions them the entire country. And one of the key things that we the politicians them, normally we can mistake pan. Because what you make I use the word mistake. Maybe Sarah would support me as Labi councillor. So what I go use her say okay can be so person here as director. But we didn't say no say Sarah says not qualified for this position. Just because he support me, and they go all means for that satisfy. That one of the key things that they only affect me. So like we as a politicians them, we they pray for anytime a regime change, the people them no say they are not the professional who sabi the job, what they make. Let the country go before we pray for let them not touch them. Let them always maintain them and change we the politicians them. Where they be ministers and other political appointees them. But we are this message and the first message this was so at the top this morning. What did they lead to political instabilities them because we the church the professionals them. That the first key thing now. The political violence they go again like this. We the politicians them now we for change the youth then dynamic. Like una come una they see tombo administrative how they go. So young people them. Me all day as a councillor na young man, look to headman na young man. So we always dey set a precedent. That youth all day na young man. So now we for set that precedent say we say we the young people we get the capacity for lead the community. The people that they begin see we the young people they come front. That other youth man or they go cause trouble or politician they give money for go burn hospital, burn police station instead they take example because we don't serve as a role model at that community day. Say go that man they now all be they go school. How somebody can give me money for go burn hospital? That man look the kind of position we get today. Where see they so me self capable for that day. So at the end of the day, the precedent will be set. And I go talk to the company youth them who are not fortunate for they are tell them the message go down. Let politics not divide we. Let we tomorrow we tell God thank you. I not think say politics divide we because the people that say oh they see here we all mix it. We get people who come up from different political parties. We all they sit down, we all they brainstorm. When it comes to development, we all they come together. Because we tomorrow will not agree for let politics divide we. And we always they maintain that. Say we politics not they divide we. We won't reach for politics. We they go but after politics we will make sure say we serve the government of the day because now in they serve the people of this country and we try for law maintain peace na that day. And number 3 na me item na ya I dey always dey talk to we young people them who can represent we na today. Do ya Lord we engage some of the people and I will host them for Lord continue for spread this message. Say politics na a few times it can come and it can go. Una not allow them people that can divide una. Lord make sure say Lord maintain peace in our community. Lord abide to the law. Lord respect the law. If they say Lord do this, Lord make sure say we do am for we own betterment. Una not allow for let something divide we. The community is small. If like for example this riot will be tomorrow, what make some of we take they will preach peace. When violence be kaya, or the riot be kaya, even though the youth them will become cause the riot, and they assure una say not to people them. Because what the announcements go now have because of the misinformation, they not can do for them. We own the stakeholder then let the information be to you. Command come on say 10 votes or 15 votes of bonus out of 400 votes then are two. Riot commodity. The people then go on demonstration say if na 10 votes well moto cannot for go. Then we want start as peaceful. Rare boy in inside it. Then take the street. Go and burn down the street. And not to be the agenda of the fisherman that day. Then just can't wait by the thing day. Later violence happen at all. And me all the talk here have been a victim. Now we the can arrest me the man with the youth chairman. And come a day I be then a CID for 2 weeks. When they put me in a cell with me, man, with the youth chairman. So now make we always stand as ambassador for peace now the community. Because for anything happy day, the first people only they contact now we. Now make we always they talk for the peace day. Because we know say we aid the entire anything happy now we are the first people only they contact. So we dey talk this and we dey always dey go to the letter for let we engage with company youth them for let them abstain from violence. Violence no dey pay. We all come together as one, betterment will come. Like we normally law tell you now the truth now. We the politicians them, who they are. What we like now violence because if violence will they continue, why not work except they know they know say no work. But if peace they way no work, everybody they know say this no work. Because people in there wey be promise do the campaign say they do this. So then they begin come and ask you say pa what they go on? They be tell me say they can't make this thing for me. Because we the politicians that make they spend money for let peace no dey. Because what peace no dey, now he go get excuse say because of violence so be there na make cannot be able to go. So I tell you na plenty thank you. Oh na kaya once more me na Councillor Omolai. Me na the chairperson for the Marine of the District Western Area Rural Council Committee chairperson. I tell you na plenty thank you.
Thank you very much, Councillor Omolai. Normally politicians are not truthful, but Councillor Omolai try to be truthful with we small. He confess that the sponsor for them we get instability. And I've been talking that before. That when brothers and sisters and when our politicians, then I robe them. After they don't take anything away for make sure say we get good quality healthcare facility in this community, good road network, good harbor, which I vote them for day, and water facility. That money where they don't get them, they always they splash them back. No get confusion among themselves. So we know we get this. And we brother just confess that say, any politicians then learn instability. Because at that they should say they won't. But we want to tell and say they're not to the best way. Because the other countries the way don't go before. The politicians and then a good thing and they point back. So you see the school way, not only Bilamo, but Atinab advocate say this community for girls school. And so we ask people that can help we for build this school. You see that hospital, they only admit 5 people there. As he said that with 5,000 or 10,000 people there in this community, I cry to ask people that say, we woman there, we begin them, so they get good health facility here. Pass the road and if you, Waterloo, if you don't get transport, the taxi man will go with you. That begin, that woman, that power go there. So with that, somebody don't care which political party you dey. They care, but the development way they bring kind of the community. So with that, any politician where brother they describe saying that then left for set fire when I run away from them. You go all, left nothing for yourself, left nothing for anybody really bear you. And we all know born for suffer. Other confidence on old age and they give money. If you sick, you are disabled, they will give money. You know why? Because they left themselves and they left their community. If somebody can at this community say no, we will not pay NRA there. That money for don't go to government. The government gets to make the road, bring water, bring light. Any government, but from 1961 to date, we don't left this, we only left politics. That's 59 years this one. Next year with the 60 years we'll gain independence. The only thing we're proud of is the life we'll get in this country. Tomo not deserve for the poor water again and water well. Tomo beginning not deserve for water miles ago for go school. So many things. Light. It talk for one thing way very important. If him be president, we don't hear plenty politicians and talk that before they be president. I will do this, I will do that. The same poverty. Because the people that were not get money, the people that were put for campaign that the area where you go. And then they can't tell a man who will you kaya. You get for listening to me. You want the way people that you be today, then they are. Listen them. So ye own brother, ye own party, ye own schoolmate, you see now as a notorious liar. It is changing world, it distancing himself from the world. Poverty. The political party themselves not get money. They don't even manage money. Now the country this has political party lost power. Money don't done at the political party office account. The poor people they again and then they contribute. Give. That man don't sell fish, don't sell wood. That policeman, yeah, this country, allegation is a policeman they call for a salary, they give political party. So we any political party we will get promotion. So German, and then not for me so, then a professional like me what I say. But because of you come on at the north, you come on at the east, you come on at the south, you come on at the west. Where one particular way they dominate that area, you professionalize all they go inside gutter. If you not be landlord and look at it, you not sabi the business. Sometimes you be at it for 10 years. Enough for business. Some of you brother that we don't pay for their school fee, they don't go to school, they don't get degree. Since when they don't test today, they don't get home. Work no dey. This all dey create tension. All this dey create tension. This na we all go the same school, na we all go Mo school, na we all go Magoka, na we all go Prince of Grace, na we all go grammar school. So if you dey be minister, na that mean classmate wey be dey school, wey be dey private college, wey be dey Jala. Whether you wan give the security, give somebody wey go protect you wey dey don go. That professional, experienced police officer, experienced military man, and they send a retirement from 1961 to this 2020. Now that they do in this country. Who honest with yourself? You don't vote and support people there. We divide we, now we all here. Some man they hate the company, wait till we your party come. You go see if my life go there like that, you will go deal with you. Other country then they're not there so. Yeah, businessman and politician. Because if you don't join politics, it's a lost customer. Some building material stores a day, or you will bring stick board. If you not to APC, SFPP, where that particular, they not encourage you, they not buy from me again, they not give you high contract. So you further employ more people in that community and contribute to the tax. But because you not politically connect to that party, you not believe in the ideology, and not by force, so we all for them, we shall for them. The Constitution say that. Other international law and regional law then, where this country are the part of, the guarantee of that, the freedom of association, the right to belong. But here where you belong, you must say something they run away now. You must have, they begin by teaching, you get your money, here they begin and they suffer. They say, nah, then they, no, they don't believe you, what you believe you. You get what you believe you. Same thing, so you want people, come on at this house, you are lucky, upon at this party, I have been there. Now you say, nah, you go, you try, you come on and just go. Not for me, so. Government of the day, na the other word that day, I tell one brigadier and McKinney. I hate that day for politicians and public servants, public officers. We don't get government of the day. We get the government of Sierra Leone. And we get a political party administration where they handle with governance affairs. So when this party are left, the other party come, like a new political administrative where they handle the government of Sierra Leone. Because the government of Sierra Leone belongs to we the people. And that the Constitution tells you. So the email, when you be president, they take oath. But because we say, you not go betray me, you not go disappoint me.
High table community stakeholders, now all welcome. I want to welcome all at the Tumbo community for who come attend this very, very important campaigns, sensitization at the Tumbo community. I believe say we all learn boku team, eating the motivator don't tell me now so. Mainly we all know say this campaign now so now for let me promote peace and cohesion in the country and the community as a whole. And with that, we pray that let we all pass this message to people for say not to violence. We want to tell CHRI plenty thank you for the intervention where they come inside and partner with we for make sure say we pass the message then with various local communities then. The campaign, like for me, Agladi, I don't know for Agladi. Because as a community, Togo, we are people way peaceful, we law abiding. We know they into violence. That's why they tell God plenty thank you for that. Ever since the Ministry of Togo, I know ever hear riot past like this one will just happen. So we are people from nowhere. We come for set kiosks in the community. We some of the leaders there, we been get for good suffer. We assure the government say, like God your own power. And it never ever happen again in the Tumbo community. Tumbo is a peaceful community. this meeting, this campaign, they always tell me saying about peace, peace, peace. Where we all for pastor the communities them. And I want to make all and tanga one to allow pass this message for say violence need to be. And we say the youth man then are engaged into violence. But let me ask myself, we the youth man then and the youth man, let me ask myself, if a politician can, what kind of message go for the give them? For say we are some of who name land book who are open for we vocational institutions so the land job. Now do for the ask them. True by that I believe say then go afraid for the same money them for we for let me go into violence. There are the appeal to all youth man them. Whenever politician come, let me tell them say we want for work. We won't able for land book, when I engage with, let me get work, so we go there, so that we go stay away from violence. And I believe say that God in power with that kind of message, the politician them they say go hold out with two hands, the youth man them, then don't change. So I dey tell now all plenty thank you because beyond message I know I make it long because they don't talk all of it for talk. Let me pass this message to people and say the meeting and the sensitization where we all in the Tumbo community that's about peace. And for all the peace with two hands and let me pass the message do you at the big. This are glad for this meeting because political tension will not get an answer. I repeat, sir. We don't get political tension, sir. Tumbo is a very peaceful community, sir. A very peaceful community. So there are the big to all the stakeholders. Let me pass this message. The religious leader them, the community stakeholders them, the youth them. Let me all pass this message to there. Let me know encourage violence in the community them. If I get for stop here, I will tell my all plenty thank you. Mina Saraba, the headman Tumbo community.
People here, good morning. We don't need to talk to everybody. Let God make no scatter to everybody. The one day we come to everybody, let God make let it return to everybody. The quota they try for talk. The speaker them, but who don't talk now the same talk no more. This we for advice we self. Get stakeholder them and they pray to God, let God left them for we force. The quoting council be the try for talk. All the authorities there are young people there. They think about the youth chairman, a young boy, the man in the councillor, we all are young people there. What you know about this advice we self. Any violence we see, not say no to me business. And some home then in the morning there. But this is hard for talk to no to me business, like go left hand. Waiting worst now, you want go call police and you don't worst. As it starts so, try to put situation in place. Who say for call there, but this man you don't say what they talk to them. But if you say no to your business, waiting no can now, water don't pass Gary, you know you console situation again. How for putting in place again? So we are need to appeal to all man who get chief there, who stakeholder there, who brother them, now the advice we say. Any violence we see, like me say waiting at our half day, we dey with soldier them, we dey with police them, any violence, we dey make sure say we put them under control. So we are a big. So I not get much for say. I tell you thank you.
Thank you very much. The talk short let Aboman. It just one the hand collect the boat land. So nothing no go for down inside the water. That's why he talk. So we dey run for time because prayer time get for can close. We know say this is important. As you say we all dey pay attention. So now we want before the family support unit woman will talk. I want to bus stop. Police or security sector them respect seniority. And we deal with them if we respect that and culture. Yes, sir.
Good morning, still morning. Okay. The chair and all other protocols observed. I appreciate you now. I really appreciate you when you make it possible for let at the part of this meeting. When we make a listen, I probably don't come very happy. But for the past 3-4 months, we are taking over Waterloo. The issue of armed robbery will not subside. We will not put it back. It just emerged yesterday back. The team will come the first 1-2 weeks will be arrested, send them to Pareba Road. either because they're not able, people don't prosecute them, or we don't know the reason, then people they don't release them. This batch don't come back. So they're not putting on the talks them back for beginning on after them. Now he make a candidate. But better still, late, but thank God, my brother give me place for that he talk. And Waterloo made me transfer one of this division of Waterloo and Tombo make a camp. Tombo. So then Abine Aberdeen, where Nami and with man and tourists them na beach business with the plan. Where in a violence so much, now pickpocketing, then the thief big money they pass to Mosef. But they won't thief. The modus is different. Now you they pack the money, you go, you that money, you give the person. Before you they know, say, oh, they don't thief you though. Then you style the different, no violence. Now they will call 419. So the style of issues, everything different. So, but me can't want really now this Tombo issue. Tombo na embry me kind of Waterloo because I been on there na Waterloo as ops officer to 10. I worked there 4 years. So because of that, they say, well, look for somebody who is a bit the terrain. So now them bring me come. Then rightly like how my brother will say, that day when he been called, I not even know that call. But that day, another issue where they say, one quarry day along this Tombo road, the youthman they want to go on strike because James will not repay them. So they say that they can't strike at the place. When I get that call, I say, oh, I know this stop. Like Ross go to that place, like make sure say, no gathering not take place. Very sorry that day, now that be the camp. Because I mean in this season, if I allow them assemble for scatter, then a problem. So before that, I Ross kind of receive. We can't in that place. So as motorcar cancel, your man they see inside the motorcar, it just continue. They are not coming. They say we make sure say we sensitize them all. We call a meeting. Would that fee say agree for that issue? Let go meet in our office. Then I send them for send them a labor. I'll be able to subside that issue. Proactiveness, if you not do it, you're not able to stop violence. Proactive, not take any information very low. Anyone and tell you work on them. Let us just begin from the topic where I can't talk. The one whole issue. Before now, these human rights people, I want to relay the human rights, let them pay attention. Before now, me not be one of the policemen and the human rights issue. I be always get issue with them, the problem with that. Human rights. Because I'm not going to see who side they go, for go talk to youth man them, for go around, tell them, sensitize them, when I stop violence, when I stop this, when I stop that. So when I received this yesterday, I said, oh, this is the first one and a good one for me. Because I can always the next man and say, when me now all of us now, I don't bring and come. The person when you go for Ulama, in the violence now, then God make you subdue and you bring and come. As you want to say, hey, human rights. Hey, human rights. No, human rights. I say, hey, well, I'm not doing that. But this type of sensitization, they say, now when if them go back, they will say, no, but we don't need to talk to them. If you go to our office now, you see me say, you don't abuse people human rights. Mr. Abuse you small. They will say anyway, they say, boy, I pass mark. Not the last month I talked to Tombo. This man don't carry only back. No, but this human rights, me I know this here. So when they talk to human rights, do you when I tell them about them, they don't try now. Now they organize this whole program. You see, campaign for human rights and the development international. See, so let me say respect say people that out they talk for we, but equally we shall get responsibility. So if you realize that, you will able to be a very good citizen. Then number two, this promoting peace and social cohesion. Another fine English language and promoting peace. The other kind of peace you need constant reminder. So man will say me a peaceful man, the other cow HM say me not a peaceful, not a problem like that. With all that peace, not the problem come out. Problem come out. police station wey e dey for protection na wey dem beat you na corner na dey run calm dem can burn am can damage am. Hospital wey you get sick you pikin sick na dey dey calm dem can spoil am damage am to an extent the matron dem bin na wey the boy wey go attempt for rape the woman e look at no more God change im mind na rape im for rape herself that group wey enter dem take im computer go you see. So then peace here e need constant reminder then kind gathering constant reminder so you come be your colleague sef right boy say Sam oh this year you remember that meeting oh man I for take am easy yeah he say no distance am go distance am na the language and that no mind that too I be dey eastern police staff because na they dey premier the rally boy the headquarter e dey Dove Court behind that Islamic school Ansar Islamic na training ground when dem train them then they can do teaching practice na eastern police around about that soft touch all before you touch it pocket before you make it say hey my phone hey na dey I be now work dey yeah na training ground. So one thing wey me wan add to wetin the brother tell una let we work as a community. The police we get the capacity for work like the military because na that as he say small if na two soldier man can say all man don scatter but police are not training for that all man scatter per week not the culture of non training not to say na natural train dem get na way we no able get that training no na the culture of training we training differ we no dey train for go harass person for beat you for kick you for this no dem train for that you wey misbehave misconduct I mean na conventional business and not to internal. You don't say you are the can out, you are enemy. If ready for meet up you. Well, we not feel say person when they commit offense na enemy to you. Now the difference is when they say but they are the weak. If two policemen, two soldier man can use they all they run, yes. They will never run because we know the purpose when they form. We know we own purpose. We don't say we for bring you on board, we investigate you, we talk to you. If peace, we are able to make peace, we make peace. If we are not able to make peace, they will take, they let the law take in cause. Now we don't train in that. Not a weakness. Not a weak. Nobody know the way then they born. That natural train where you they born you with. Where just go disappear by you because you don't go police. No. Or because you don't go soldier, a ad. No. Now the way of training, way of training. We know the train for this person. We know the train for be aggressive. You, in fact, if you don't accept, we got to disciplinary culture where they say lack in civility. Lacking in civility means, but no, but you're not civil police. Why you not they embrace the civilians? You're not civil police. Not so you do bad. You investigate them, prosecute them, let go court. Now we own culture. So now make it not easy. If you see policeman is now, well, we try to subdue you. We not say too violence. And we say we not gonna make we put disgrace by ourselves. That disgrace will be happening at home. Oh, policeman they look at the road. They make them come in the old man they laugh. Yeah, you're not a human being. You got to save your life. If me one get, me one get be left set as a weapon. I don't get that mind. Turn the weapon against the people. That mind for turn against the people. Because I'm not trained for killing. You see. So at the run, I go take cover. Come back to pursue you. I prosecute you like how it happens. I will proceed with that. And when you make I prosecute you, when I blacklist you, you allege them say good. Prison tell me say this man we don't go refine and still alive. So yeah, then this way I say we for work together. We get beaucoup ways where we want let we work together, let we all work together. Number one, information sharing. Let we share information. Where you get intelligence about issues where they go around, Harbour Master, HM, the stakeholders. If you get information, let we timely get this information. We engage the people there, where we don't suspect say they want cause this problem. Equally like we don't get one branch they call community relations department. We engage them, we talk out. Rather we wait for some community offense, they will go out for harass. No, let we share information timely, it will help you. Let we share information. Like the OC where they are, the CRD, the other. When I get the number then, they say they will inform you every morning to the same situation report. of all wetin happen at Tombo. If na 10k sef na report, if na thing na sell, if na how much money na sell for. Every morning, me say why I receive am, I dey put all together. I send on a Ross Road, regional headquarter. Every morning na that we take the back first. So we are let's share information. Then let we be that neighborhood watch. Neighborhood watch. But if you see say Yal Mami na in Pikin, na the bad person in this community. Not say because Yal Mami na your sister. Inform the police, inform Yal Mami say you bobo, na the thief man na yawo. Neighborhood watch, go do am. Let we help yourself. But you know say you Pikin. Now you can't thief people in goats. People in goats, they don't thief am. You know the prosecution to the police because you sister Pikin, because now you sister Pikin, you don't help the community. So now the issue that now one time the issue that way the cause problem. Then Tombo, a person say Tombo peaceful, Tombo really peaceful, but Tombo, the headman, the all stakeholders, if you know Tombo youths, the composition of Tombo youths, what I mean, the people that will make the Tombo youths where they place say Tombo na time bomb. Really. Tombo all wanted criminals who really need na freedom inside the hard city. Who don't harass them. Who they say, that boy don't also don't go upline. Now like, kind of one fact until change number you can around. You see am. So now the composition that now one part of the composition that hardcore criminals wanted in the western part of Freetown, wanted in the city, they all they come around. They don't have the warfare area. When you can get them, when you can get them, but yes, some. You know, now the culture, and the son him that everybody, yeah, some, yeah, what is it? They get the language. Then they begin. If na push, they can't go one side. They begin push. They don't go thief western. They come. They get small couple. That couple they just can use and before the couple they don't that 2-3 days. They don't get good friend. They don't have that boy don't be Tombo youth. Tombo youth. I want Tombo youth to be absolute. Then the provincial boy then we order brother the upline. When banana man you don't cause trouble all by one time. Or to God we can fit on Waterloo for the base. They sleep one. They watch Waterloo composition. So laugh fair other place. Waterloo Fritonians and they can pass every day. Upline people they can pass every day Waterloo. Then they can offload. They say yeah no go find for me. Laugh fair corner. They can't Tombo. And when you can't Tombo, na Tombo use not hard. And na one power na bobo dey wey dey Tombo na in the harbor. Then the fishing grounds even upline those shingray back is that where it really na one of the baba bobo dem fishing people fishing net go use so wey still don cause havoc and then shingray then other part and they can't add to Tombo youths. So when they add to them Tombo youths, the one that say Tombo e peaceful na critical communities e very critical. But see if you no sabi how for really manage this youth, wetin me wan advise una bobo dem wey una see strange faces wey una sabi say scientific camera who say this comot again but una no lis ten anambari e dey Freetown e don come wetin dey account for Freetown e don tell her the same how e don take 3 weeks now but no dey bother. That one no just left in my mind Osi Papa Osa grow up na Aberdeen. Osa grow up na Godrich. If you say you can't stay no more now. No, something wrong. But una the elders, una begin find out. If una find out, I will tell you back. To be very frank, because me I don't work from Waterloo here, Table I don't care as LUC. I don't work here, Table Aberdeen as LUC. All the stations across all 1 Table Reach. So I know which are the top. Then let me cut to another one. The youth man police not on a target. They are big. We say we don't have to arrest prosecution to court. One be party to now. One law be useful in a community. Yes, one law be useful. Now that reason make we say law will bring this community relations department and will make community safety volunteers. Young man away for the assist me. We don't take the police right to the doorstep of the young men to use them. So we don't try to be enemy to one. Yeah? We no be enemy to una again. While una be friends, the youth men, when I tell all the youth men, I say, one day for you to be party. Let them come walk with you. Rather than something happen, we run after them, go chase them, hold them, leave them ourselves, charge them to court. No, we don't want to do that again. That will be friends. So with that, I will stop there and I tell when I say we are. When I tell them say let them come on board. We're ready for work with them.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair, LDC sir, the health table, all protocols observed, the family all in afternoon. I tell when I thank you, CHRDI and UNDP for organizing this kind of forgettable program. I go say myself na victim for this riot wey been being at Togo because all man know AYV dem Kenya, other stakeholders in Kenya, they can witness FSU was burnt down, they vandalized and burn am. This peace that they try for camp promote is really nice because without peace, we not go able to sit down like how we sit down. I believe say me personally not do bad to person for let go look the office in Bonham. But I believe say because of the job we supposed to do what we dey do, make them go burn the places. And I believe say na most of the one day wey dey cause them problem, the way na perpetrators dem, and most of them go don go cause them problem dem dey na the office. Wey no dey go down. So I just talk to the community, the stakeholders. HM don talk say Togo peaceful. Like how chairman you talk normal. Togo peaceful but e still get boss. Togo peaceful why conflict for can succeed. Conflict, that kind of conflict are from where rebel war done as alone. That kind of conflict are on the first and this first year and back after the rebel war. Where the trauma is still there in time and now they try for hope. Why see that kind of situation maybe. So let them all come together. Then they talk about peace where can to community, where can to programs them. But within themselves, let we all come together for oneness. Let nobody not left for say no to be business. Like how strange people in the kind of community where they see, let them say, wouldn't at this possible, let all man monitor himself, let we all be neighborhood watchman then. Let we all get concerned. Some neighbor the day in New area, some neighbor the day they see in Pekin there be people in Gal Pekin. Because then they all they lead to conflict in our community. Would they get their issues then they? Would they get issues then where somebody they go tamper with in company in Gal Pekin where it go then affect the community. Then they all they lead to serious conflict in the community. When you see you Pekin there be people in Pekin, stop and let left. No wait say where some say where go don't get belle or where the parents go don't catch her. Then you say you dey go for go pay, call people dem for go pay. Let we all join together for let we go fight against this conflict wey dey be in the country. If conflict don be in a community, we not try for manager, e go lead to the whole country conflict. So let we all try for I mark them one day wey una say na stranger dey wey come pour this place. Let we all join together for I mark them. One of them na una neighborhood, if una know say na this person suppose for there, then una say strange person 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, say 1 week, una not to Congo sir, say hey neighbor, who done na this person? E don say what they see, I will not be the say na strange face. Because if you not join for cause riot, it go be thief man wey if you not thief, if you not get stranger for thief, e go thief na the neighborhood, na police go get that work. So I no go talk much. Let we all just join together. Let we support the human rights people then. Let us step not go to talk no more for human rights. Let we all prove ourselves with the community members then for fight against this conflict. Let peace continue for reign at the country. I thank you.
Possible. Minister, we will make it talk. Let us be talk of who is one of the bosses that they represent.
Members of the high table, all protocol officers, my brother, my sister, my papa, my mama, I greet you now all. Well, we dey see say violence don become the order of the day in a salon. Where in violence, where we youth them more and they get involved in this violence. And in violence of such, we don't see say Togo don't be part of that bad nuclear of violence. And the mama and the papa, when violence they happen, the innocent they suffer. You, the cobra, they suffer more. Because you know why? You don't born your pikin. You don't men am. What you want that it be an age where it will represent a country or be somebody in a society. Then all of a sudden it can't cut so due to violence. You don't losses. Violence, they bring development in a country at all. We all grab say rights of a nation, rights of a this. We the citizens go to we said get your rights as a citizen. We get different way for channel. We case system. We get different way where they do certain things with channel in case of anything. But we not get now with the system Sierra Leone in way of channel identity and day through violence. Peaceful protest can be. You can channel whatever you want, what's in the money you. But now Salon don't see as in a violence will they make the other of the day. And trust, when violence did not come a particular community, now a particular country, it not they go before at all. We can send race back to waiting the Apuyana today. Where the police station born, if the tap not set back. The development for canal, you go put an out for make the police or renovate the police station back again. So you don't see violence may take we no side, give we no good. Violence can make innocent life the loss. And violence can count. If we are all praying right now for a sustainable development, sustainable community, but with violence we never get such. Anybody can today say I can't develop tomorrow. And so we don't become a bad bank, so we don't go a bad book of violence. The first way we're going to be called. Say so see that happen, people don't become injured, properties we don't lost, etc. So you see, we go even investors go afraid for calm na community like a such. So we the youth them, we the mama and papa, we all get we all role for play, for preventing violence then they happen. Let we all be with brothers and sisters keeper. Let we all watch for one another. We all in community like this, everybody sabi safe. Whether they go, whether they come, we all sabi safe. But if we not try for help authorities, as long as the authorities themselves for help we back for preventing violence, we know they go north side. So me advice to we all, especially the youth, we get a long way for go. Not to through violence for do anything. We get myself now youth mafia. We get a very long way for go. Papa and mama, if you not make this today na salon, you get you pikin, you get you grand pikin. We get with descendants them. We all want CCCLO successful, Tombo community successful. That lies we all and we all get your role for play. Individual role we all get them for play. So for now build peace and cohesion, now we talk to learning the start from the home. Education that us first in the start. We all get waiting for the law would go picking the ace. But now we can see say in society, in community, we never got to see we pick one, we other neighbor and pick they go back. As we talk or waiting, another mama then the channel in picking, it's more for picking. We are not helping. We know the help with picking them by that. And we know the help with society and community as a whole by that. So Papa and Mama, for you want to see your picking better, you want to see your community they grow. We all get for your role for play. And in playing that role that we all for come as one. Unity. Unity na a big word. When you got a chain of unity, it will go a very long way. But if you don't live for enjoying, you picking, you grand picking, you great grand picking, go live for enjoying. In a peaceful society, who say I let you not get nothing for it, but as long as you say peace day, you okay. But in a society, let's take our way back in history, how Sierra Leone be there, how the innocent suffer. We see some woman then be rape woman then for no reason. We see the rebel where I come. Not due to violence, and we no one can then stage them. So there, me are the big. We sign no permit me. If I may help, please, Mama and Papa, we get a big role for playing the life of a people and the life of a society as a whole.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name and know that you've been at this community.
I'm in a Chief Pa Albami Bangua, the second Ambonsho, the team, the section chief Tumbo.
Okay, we see when I get a sensitization meeting today at this hall. I want to make you tell me, what do you think about this sensitization meeting?
And the meeting, very, very important. But inside the meeting, the invitation we approve, it not go down well with me. Because talking of peace, the people all the community, where we say key stakeholders, some of them are not in the meeting. So if we talk of peace, we not believe say anything we talk anything we go all water, we will call as peace. Like the Shabul tribal head is not here, and waiting will not happen at Tumbo. The past waiting don't happen, the Kuskasu don't happen. The chief now the forefront man where the youth man them even pronounce some say when they go to Chief Benga for go polling house if they come on this peace building if Mr. Benga is not in the meeting. So I'm afraid say if I can get any word here say Tumbo is peace, Tumbo get peace, Tumbo get peace. No, Tumbo not get peace. If Tumbo get peace, now we the stakeholders them first now for long get peace. Before the bobo them way would they say youth man them then they get peace. Because we already in a Tumbo now. Me na a key stakeholder, me na chief, me na the team decide at the control. If me don't get peace, I get me young people that wait there for me, where they support me, where I say, hey, boys, my look when I stop, this is not good. But if I not come, I can't listen. Today, if I don't gonna put local, we get one big chief we just pass away. If I don't go there, but the letter what I get, the end of the letter, tell me for make I not go another meeting, another bearing. I come for attend this meeting. So if they interview me, now this I get phone for.
You're not in the head for this Tumbo community, you're not in the chief, but you're present and we see another chiefs them also present. So why the absence of that one chief, the Chief Benga, go make the peace not in that Tumbo community?
Yes, because if I talk on that, the absence of this Chief Benga, Chief Benga is openly don't design and all man know say na a member and a party of this ruling government SLPP. Where in this incident where it take place, all man pronounced and the bobo them they talk on a radio say the SAP where they snap they say when they go to Chief Benga they were don't pass mark when they go to Chief Benga this will they probably us it's not every person and we believe say all this confusion is derived from this politics now bring all this confusion at Tumbo because we Tumbo we knew inside politics we not sabi politics we don't read and study politics not also with the behave inside politics and Mr. Benga if you know the part of the meeting here believe you me follow we get peace. We talk say let peace come totally we go take the force.
So what do you think say like Chad and other organizations we partner with government for see the peace reign at Tumbo?
And as when they don't come inside, they don't get key stakeholders names and telephone numbers. Now the responsibility for me then go back then go see them. Then I mark them key stakeholders there. Then call them back to a meeting where in a float of Tumbo self. When they invite we say we go see them and say something better where Tumbo go be everlasting peace. Now this I thought say it for be.
So you as the team head where you don't come present at this meeting, what thing you get for do next?
Well me I get a court barry where they operate wherein if I talk now the court barry the justice way at the give to people at the court it don't go far. People in the council me for report every day because they follow up and they sensitize them but they sick still and they go for try and talk to the people and say violence no they pay, violence no good. Let we stay apart, let we stay apart. Let all man stay outside there. All man for belong. If you be APC, SLPP, we all in a Sierra Leoneans. After election, you go back for work. So let we take violence off we. Let we build up we safe. Let we be brothers and sisters. I go talk to my people, the people because Tumbo Boku, the team will dominate na Tumbo. I go talk to them. And for now, the team they hear me. I go talk to them. For let we stay apart from peace. Let peace come inside Tumbo. If Tumbo not get peace, good not the kind inside Tumbo. Good people in the kind inside Tumbo. So now this I get from the people.
Okay, thank you very much. Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
My name is Kadatu Zito Fofana.
I want to make you tell that you've been at this Tumbo community.
Me are the chairlady for women in fisheries.
Okay. We see Chad in partner with government and also with UNDP get sensitization meeting with Tombo people. I want to make you tell me, what do you make up of? What do you think about this meeting?
Well, me, I'm glad for this meeting. Why make I glad for this meeting? If this same meeting go occur now tomorrow no more, all the time, same system will change more and more.
So what do you think say people need Natombo for stop the violence where they take place in Natombo community?
Well, me think say, like the youth, but some of the way before say, they're not under control. We need government for help them for works then youth woman in there, where them back there for help them for work. Where before say, them back will sustain their life there. At the community.
So you listen to different statements where people from the high table don't make. You think certain statements and they in place?
Yes, on the day in place, on another in place.
So like which one like you think say like another in place?
Because why make I say some day in place, some another in place? Tombo now all day, some business now all business. Not so one person business. Any side way you say one point. You as a stakeholder, no, besides stakeholders, if you say where you go control the situation, where they if you say this situation, this thing where they want to do in a bad thing in the area, if you take action for your area, so for make you safeguard yourself. Or if you see say able to control, you call na station, or you can call police, make you go arrange them situation in it. But if you can't at the community, all man get in your heart, down they get your heart. Una the elders, you no go work well.
Okay. So what thing you get for do next as you left this meeting? What thing you get for do next?
Well, me as a chairlady for women in fisheries, because na big role now they play. I get me fisherman there, me and this done and wife, we dey talk in common. So I dey tell them the fisherman and they all they talk in common. And right now, why they can go down. So I guess on the way I occupy, then they can walk. I just left them no more left. I just left them quick for this meeting here. So and they all now then youth bobo then they take for this work here where the ministry can with. When they do bad now this community, but because of them more we encourage them, when they can small thing they would draw so that men and get and leave they can walk for clean the beach. So then they pan. So if I go back and I mean they call so this so I don't make for them, make I go give them. So if I go back, I will go talk to them and say, now this meeting, now they are come out. So now a lot of patients, mortal man, now small. They then can't see their way they can, so they call una on board for love una get una lily and natty, love una not go do bad. Other one come back, then go still call una, stay call and you call una. So I will still talk to them. And if I go now walk back, I will still talk to me company woman there. Say, Lord, violence not fine at the community.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you too.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
Name Mohamed Esba, the youth leader for Tombo community.
Okay, you'll be the youth leader for Tombo community, and we see this sensitization will come in Tombo today, and you also will be part of the sensitization meeting. I want to make it tell you, what do you think about all the statements where the one that will be the high table don't make up?
And really, first of all, I will tell the people that we come organize this particular sensitization plenty thank you. For Tombo community, this is a very important meeting for we and sensitization for we, because for so long Tombo community, then we know we say we are a fishing community. You know, whatever time somebody talk about Tombo, then they say I'm a fishing community. But now then they refer we as violence people. Then whenever they talk about Tombo, they say I'm a violence. Like me, so it can piss me off. I can get on social media where people can give example of Tombo in terms of violence and not happy and not feel good but that one. So we then kind of sensitization we say we go all out and talk to the company youth and the community stakeholders them as well. Let them know the importance and value of this particular sensitization we just they happen in our community.
So as youth man and also most of the one that we don't give statements, they talk about the youth, the violence where they take place. I want to make you tell me what exactly you think say the youth na Tombo community need.
First of all, as I mentioned in my statement, say Tombo na be one of the peaceful communities in this particular district. But just because for now the stakeholders in the community not get value for young people them, and they not respect structure. You know, if you can just give an example of this particular sensitization, everybody they talk about and youth, but in the statement agenda, they not create space for even for youth man for make statements, but the sensitization based on youth and violence, but we are not represented, you know. But like, if some of them tears so they happen, the need for get respect and let them respect the structures of the youth, because for quite a long time I don't the yarn say let them help you with one empty space now VDA building, where now community development building, let them give you an empty space there where in which if we as youth go they meet together and discuss the problem them. You know, for more than a year now, you know, they listen to me, you know, they don't even want to know how they feel. You know, some of them problem they add up to disgruntledness and violence, because if not any other youth groups them again, they not ask. If they not listen to them, maybe they will decide to take them by force or any other. But we still talk to we stakeholders in our communities, let them get value and respect for young people. Let them not take and say no more because we are young people. They don't even care. They don't want to know about we. And even if we request, they know they listing past waiting and feel for do. We don't get so many projects here where they can in this community, where young people for champion, where they see community stakeholders them and political leaders them. Now then they champion, then they see drainage facilities on at this community where young people now then for champion. Now we they see every political leader they take people away they around that way feel say now them been deal with them during the campaign. Now they normally they call, even though maybe they don't pass the youth age, but they call them because they feel say now all the way down the way we will help them. So that alone they show say then people are not get respect for young people and they not value structure.
So you think so this sensitization today they in place?
Yes, for me it is in place, and I tell God thank you, most of them, that's 80% of the stakeholders, and then they are the meeting and then the sensitization, and the coordinator as well, not hide them from them, and they put them straight to them, they tell them their roles and their responsibility where they're supposed to do.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Most welcome.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name and who that should be?
Mina Abdul M. Fatoma, the Chief Executive for Campaign for Human Rights and Development International.
We see una can get sensitization with community people. I want to make it tell we really prompt to forget this kind of meeting with them.
We don't look CC in Sierra Leone. We not get the cohesion. We not get peace. Now some part of we country and some communities and we all go recall very recently the Tombo community been on the spotlight for violence issue, the young people against the stakeholders. So the important thing is that we get for engage both the young people and the community stakeholders. Let we vent out waiting at the cause, of them violence there in our community. So with that, the community people then go able to solve the problem. Then development partner like UNDP will partner with, and the government of Sierra Leone by constitutional mandate and then get the responsibility for ensure say we citizens of this country we protected and we forgo free and do we business. We partner with them. So some of the messages and some other things the way the community don't ask for, for form, a unity among the local chiefs is very necessary. So that's one of the things we can share with both UNDP and the government of Sierra Leone.
And also when you're talking, make mention of the incidents will be happen between the youth and also the stakeholders them. But we talked to one youth man we say una not even involve the youths them now the high table for let themselves say the word. Why?
We ensure that say we get the key stakeholders and we been there among the thing. The youth them we all largely can blame the youth. Speaker after speaker at the high table say, now strangers then become, not really the young people then at Tombo. And it not mean say where they na the high table, go speak. And now that make we get the relevancy, the platform for let event out, waiting at the young people then position in this community. And how young people then relevant at this community and how young people then go able to play a key positive role in the community. So in no way we set and say this is for young people. This is not for the community. And we involve young people then.
And now we don't see different part na the country where similar issue like wetin dey happen at Tombo don happen. So why Tombo only? Wetin happen to the other part dem na the country where then similar incidents and they don't take place?
Wednesday we been there McKinney. We talk to similar stakeholders in McKinney.
For achieve.
We dey aim for achieve for get a peaceful Sierra Leone and a peaceful community.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.